Hello and welcome to Sarasa's classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on general intelligence. As we know that general intelligence is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and to score high in this portion, the only way is to practice a lot. Practicing a lot. Uh, if you practice different type of questions, then you understand the different pattern of questions and the inherent logics and tricks in that questions. Okay, in this way you can hike your marks in this portion, and so simultaneously your total marks also be higher than the others. Directions: in the questions given below, select the one which is different from the other three responses. So here we are given four options and we need to find the wrong in that given option. So let's see the first one. Here we are given power, pressure, energy and arc. Here the correct answer is option D, as arc is a unit where power, pressure, energy are not units, they are different quantities, but arc is a unit of work or energy. Okay, now let's see the next one. Here we are given four cluster of letters. Okay, now first of all we write the different cluster of letters, and we now convert the letters to their positional numbers. The last cluster is MOR. Okay. Now the numbers are 1, 3 and 6. For E it is 5, 7, 9. For IKN it is 9, 14, 11, 14. Then for M it is 13, for O it is 15, and for R it is 18. Now as we can see, for the first cluster, if we add 2 to each of the previous number, we get the if we add 2 with 1, then we get 3, and if we add 3, then we get 6. In the next cluster EGI, if we add 2 with 5, we get 7, and if we add uh, 2 with 7, we get 9. In the cluster IKN, if we add 2 with 9, we get 11, and if we add 3 with 11, we get 14. Similarly, for MOR, if we add 2 with 13, we get 15, and 3 with 15, we get 18. So the only wrong pattern is EGI, or the different one is EGI, as here we are to add 2 to each of the numbers to get the next one, while in the other cluster we are to add 2 with the first one and 3 with the second one to get the corresponding next numbers. So the correct answer is EGI. Now let's see the next one. Here we are given some numbers, and in these given numbers we need to find which one doesn't follow a particular pattern. So the first number is 126, the next one is 215, the third one is 342, the last one is 511. Now 126 can be written as a 5 cube plus 1. 215 can be written as 6 cube minus 1. 342 can be written as 7 cube minus 1, and 511 can be written as 8 cube minus 1. So here the only wrong pattern is the wrong pattern is contained by 126. Therefore our correct answer is the option A. In the question given below, now let's see the next question, that is question number 10. In the question given below, which one of the given responses would be a meaningful order of the following? So here we are given six words and we need to find the correct order of that words. So here we are given flower, seed, plant, fruit, branches and tree. So the right hierarchy of these words are seed, then we get plant, then the plant became tree, then it gets branches, then flower comes and the flower turns into fruits. Okay, so this is the right hierarchy, or uh, the right order of the words. Therefore our correct number pattern is 236514. 236514. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you very much.